Hello and welcome to Biology Interest. Today we're going to be looking at what is the world's oldest germinated seed. Now, the most recent record for the oldest germinated seed was actually recorded in 2005. And that seed is from the plant of the date palm, Phoenix dactyphylla, which is the same species of date that the Romans actually used to eat as a major delicacy and was well renowned throughout the whole Roman Empire. Now, these particular seeds were actually discovered during an excavation of King Herod's palace on Mount Masada in Israel. This was a fortress that the Romans sieged and eventually overran, only to find the Jews inside dead, having killed themselves. They burnt all their buildings to the ground. Now, while this wasn't good for the Jews or for the Romans, for predictable reasons, the seeds actually benefited greatly from this burning, from the buildings being burnt to the ground. The seeds actually survived the destruction, and they survived any predation from there on in, because the Romans couldn't get to them because they were underneath these massive buildings that had been burnt down, and fungus and birds and stuff couldn't get to them because they were also buried underground. So they kind of had optimal conditions to actually survive and not be dried out or destroyed or anything like that in the intervening years between the Roman Empire collapsing and them being found by some archaeologists. So for the seeds, it was pretty good. So far, only a few seeds have actually been germinated, and the oldest and most well-known of these seeds has been called Methuselah by its owners. It's been dated to around 2,000 years old, so these seeds are incredibly old. Methuselah is male, and with date plants like this, you can't actually tell what gender they are until they reach a certain age. And so its owners have successfully grown him, and now they're trying to successfully grow a female, so one day he could maybe produce some dates that were once well renowned through the Roman Empire, and we can actually eat them again. It would also stop his species from being extinct as it currently is. So that's the oldest fully germinated seed from seed. Scientists have successfully regenerated a seed of Silene stemfolia that was over 30,000 years old, but that wasn't really from a whole seed, it was from parts of a seed that they put back together, and it's probably the topic for another video. But the date palm, Phoenix dactyphylla, is actually at the moment the world's oldest successfully germinated seed. So that's your biology record breaker for the world's oldest germinated seed. Thank you. Please like and subscribe, stay tuned for more videos.